Gure Balai Joti hostelak Karnataka estatuko Anekal herriskan daude, Bangalore hiriburutik 51 kilometrora. Hiri hau alde batetik bere indar ekonomikoagatik ezagutzen da, besteak beste informazio eta komunikazio teknologien alde egin duen apustuagatik, baina beste alde batetik Indiako gizartea kastetan antolatuta dagoenez, bere desberdintasun sozioekonomiko handiengatik ere bereizten da. Gure osteretako hezkuntzak eta bizikidetzak helburu bat dauka, erlijio edo kasta batekoa izateagatik dagoen segregazioa ezabatzea.
Bala Jyoti gave me a life. It gave me a life to me, and today I'm a lecturer just because of Bala Jyoti Boys Hostel.
And I was very happy to be in the hostel because we were enjoying our life. In the hostel we had a very perfect timetable, which is also helping us now to study and to teach the others. And I'm working as an English teacher because I have learned English from the Jesuit educational institutions.
Gure neskamutilen familiek ez daukate berezko lurrik, eta lehorte garaietan edota montzoi eurien ondoren, emakumeak etxeko lanen alorrean lan egitera behartuta daude, soldata ziztrin eta lanaldi amaiezinekin. Ondorioz, beraien etxeetan makina bat arazo sortzen dira, eta seme-alaba nagusiak, alabak, bereziki, arduratu behar izaten dira etxeko lanez eta beraien nebarreba gazteagoen zaintzaz.
Brother was very small in that time, and parents are coming in 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Still that we are very fear, and I have to do the food for all. Early they will wake up and they will go. After I should get ready and all the works should be clean and keeping clean, and I have to go to school. That is the problem, and now I am comfortable to study here.
Hosteletako eraikinek beste bizitza baldintza batzuk eskaintzen dizkie herrisketako neskamutiko dalitei. Hostelak ondo egindako eraikinak dira, bertan gela bereiziak eta egokia ireztatuak dituzte, komunak eta dutxak, eguzkiaren bidez berotutako ura eta arropak aldatzeko eta beraien gauzak gordetzeko leku propioak. Eta logeletan koltsoia, manta eta izarak dituzte noeak, euretariko bakoitzarentzat. Testu inguru honetan ez da gutxi zeure ohea izatea, zeure espazioa lo egiteko, deskantsatzeko, pentsatzeko, norbere buruarekin bat egiteko. Gure neskamutilen eguneroko elikadura zaindua eta askotarikoa da. Honek bideratzen du beraien hazkuntza fisiko, intelektual eta afektiboa. Hostel bakoitzean beraiekin bizi diren bi sukaldari daude eta beste bi arduradun ere bai.
There is no water in our village, so that not only for that reason there is no bus facilities to come to the school. In our home there is no facilities. I sleep on the mat in this hostel. There are beds for us to sleep. Each and everyone will sleep on the beds, on the cots.
In our house, my papa not doing any work, is doing irrigation. My mummy housewife. My sisters are going for factory. In our house, there's so much disturbance. I can't able to study. They put a TV. How can I study? That purpose only I came to this Bala Jyoti hostel to study well and take good marks.
Herrisketako neskamutikoen egoera ez da oso pozgarria. Zerbitzuak oso eskasak dira beraien etxeetan. Beraien gurasoen hezkuntza maila txikia da, eta gainera, Anekaleko jai eskulera joateko, errepide txarrak eta garraio garestia daukate. Alde handia dago gaurko India berriko eta herriska hauetako bizimoduarekin. Alde itzela dago Dalik kastako neskamutikoen eta goimailako neskamutikoen garatzeko aukeren artean. Eta desberdintasun honekin amaitzeko, neskamutiko hauei hezkuntza eremua proposa eman behar diegu inguru pribilegiatu batean.
As we know, the concept of this hostel is a home away from home. That means to make the children to feel in this hostel as their own house.
What we do is we bring these children from the village and keep in the hostel, send them to different schools and colleges. And in the hostel, first of all, we help them in their studies to learn English, to know study methods, to how to study and what to do, motivation.
I need to focus on 4 things. First of all, the intellectual life, spiritual life. Thirdly, the group work, the teamwork. Finally, the extracurricular activities.
In this hostel, the father gave him so much time to study, about 6:30 to 8:30, after 9:30 to 10:30. After we can also ask from wardens to take extra time to study.
First of all, as I said, the intellectual life, we give them taking individual care to study. Study is the important thing. Okay, we give them extra classes, and what are the classes they receive from the school, they come, work, and we also take extra classes.
Hosteletan ikasmahaiak dituzten leku bereziak daude klaseko lanak egiteko, ikasteko, eta beharrezko eskola materiala eta liburuak eskura izateko. Egunez zein gauez erabil daitezkeen ikasgelak dira, argitasun egokia dutelako, eta hosteletako arduradunek eta neskamutil nagusienek zaintzen dituzte. Ikasgela hauetan errefortzu klaseak ematen dituzten neskamutil nagusienek eta negaleko koletxeko irakasleek, beraien zuzendariak barne. Modu berean, azpimarratu behar da, eskola publikoetan ez dela ingelesik ikasten, edo ikastekotan, maila aurreratuetan baino ez. Eta derrigorrezko irakasgai moduan, 11 eta 12 mailetan baino ez da ikasten, hau da, gure batxilergoan. Argi dago, hizkuntza gaitasun hau gabe ezinezkoa dela lan egitea gutxieneko lanpostu kualifikatu batean India berrian. Gure hosteletan, ingelesa lehenengo egunetik indartzen da. Neskamutilen zaintzaileek menperatzen dute eta hainbat aisialdiko jarduera, antzerki, ikasketa eta otoitz ingelesez egiten dira. Ingelesean errefortzua jasotzeaz gain, testu inguruan jarritako 5 hitz berri ikasten dituzte egunero.
There is lots of improvement has taken in my education, in studies. Especially, brother has helped me to read. Every day, brother was telling me to give me questions as a brother was asking me. As I improved a lot.
Very different. I am very different and very highly talented when compared to those people. Those are there in our village and me in the hostel. So this hostel has helped me a lot. Helped me in various ways to have a overall development. It may be through my studies, or it may be through my studies or leadership or any other extracurricular activities. It has helped me a lot.
When I joined here, I felt very difficult to adjust here. Then later on, I go on adjusting to this hostel. When I don't realize when I joined, but I got realized when I scored 76% in second PUC. Then I compared, when I am in home, I got only 47%. I just passed. Then after coming here, I passed with 76%. At the time I felt very happy.
Before I came here, I don't know how to speak in English, and I don't know how to speak with the elder ones, and I don't know I have fear to enter the stage. I had a stage fear.
So that brother is helping me to learn English more. Brother is ready to help us.
There are many children, many students. They are speaking so much nice English. I want to learn from them, and I want to study skills to study them. I want to ask them to many skills to study and take good marks.
Gure hostelek harreman estua daukate Anekaleko St. Joseph Koletxeko jesuitekin. Taldekak lagundu zion eskola honi bere hasieran, eta berari esker dalit kastako umeek batxilergoa egiteko aukera dute. Lehenago ezinezkoa zen beraientzat ikasketa hauek egitea, derrigorrezko hezkuntza ez delako eta bere kasta izaeragatik bazterturik geratzen zirelako. Ikasturte honetan ia gure ikasleen 140 daude batxilergoa egiten. Koletx honetan, Gure hosteletan izandako 6 ikaslek ematen dituzte klaseak. Xuda, Sarada eta Txoudapa merkataritzako irakasleak dira. Espanadana, bere familiak hosteletik atera zuena ezkontzeko kanara hizkuntzaren irakaslea da. Lakshmipurako Sarasa, ingeleseko irakaslea, eta Lakshmipurako Chanerapa. Irakasle hauek ospitaletan eta beste leku batzuetan lan egiten duten hosteletako beste ikasle ohi batzuekin batera, etorkizun eta aukera berriak eskaintzen dizkiete gure neska mutilei. Eredu hurbilak dira eta beti daude beraien ondoan laguntzeko.
So when we joined the hostel, we were forced to speak only in English, and we picked up English and we started to speak English. And today I could say I speak a good English. So that had helped me for my further studies, for my higher studies. Way back when I was studying, there were hardly few students pursuing their studies. Whereas now there are a large number of students who go to schools, who go to colleges. So my achievement has inspired many students in the village.
My aim is to become an MBA student. I like to study further. This is my 15th standard. Still I want to study 2 more years to finish my post-graduation and to become a bank manager.
Even I assure you all today on this occasion that as I have planned for my future is that I want to do MA in English to become an English lecturer.
Anekaleko hosteletako helburua nesken aldeko diskriminazio positiboa egitea da. Beraien herrisketan hainbat bazterkeria jasan behar baitute. Dalit izateaz gain, emakumeak direlako ere baztertuak dira. Izan ere, ezkondua ahal izateko, eta beti ere beraien kasta barruan ezkonsaria eman behar zaielako. Bere higiene pertsonalaren baldintzak ere oso eskasak dira. Gainera, goi-mailako ikasketetarako eta lanpostuen sarbiderako ere baztertzen dituzte.
In the hostels, the problem is mainly with the girls when they finish their plus 2 or PUC. Now they are already 18, 17. Now parents don't want to send them. They want to marry them, and so education ends with the PUC. Very few go for higher education and for employment job. So that is another problem, how to address that. So especially girl children studying higher studies, going for employment and starting their own life.
About 57 girls from different family situations where they are not able to accommodate their studies or improve their life. And there are difficulties because they are many with different family background. They have different kinds of experiences, different kinds of life situations they have come from. To understand is a bit difficult, but still it is possible because they are very genuine and open.
After finished my studies, I will go to work and I will take out the in charge responsibility of family and my brother to study him, and I will pay the fees for, and I will buy the books for him, and I will see out the family.
Gure neskamutilek beti daukate eskura ikasteko lekua. Dagozkien hezkuntza materialak eta bere ikaskideen eta zaintzaileen eskola laguntza, eta hosteletako ikasle hoien eta koletxeko irakasleena ere bai. Ikasle hoiek ikasten, elkar bizitzen eta jolasten laguntzen dieten gure neskamutilei. Eta hauek eurengan nagusitan nolakoak izan daitezkeen ikasten dute.
We mingle with the students, we conduct various programs, we conduct camps, we conduct sports events, we also take some special classes when students are in need. So we have been in touch with the Balajyoti Boys Hostel.
At the same time, spoken English classes, so that they will also learn the value of language, and they too try to become better than us or like us in the society, so that they can help the others.
Taldekan, anekaleko hostelei laguntzen diegu, gure neskamutilek India berriko osasun eta higiene baldintzak eduki ditzaten. Lehenengo eta behin, edateko ura, dutxatzeko ura, ur beroa, azala egoki hidratatzeko krema eta aldizkako osasun azterketak izan ditzaten. Gure neskamutilek ikasketa unibertsitarioak egiteko aukera daukate, naiz eta Indian unibertsitateko ikasketak pribatuak eta oso garestiak izan. Unibertsitateko kurtso bakoitza 4 umeren janari mantenua beste da. Gaur egun, geure 127 neskamutiletatik 10 daude unibertsitatean. Esan dezakegu, zalantzarik gabe, gure hosteletan dagoen edozein neskak edo mutilek beste kastetako neskamutilen aukera, itxaropen eta etorkizun berbera izan dezakeela. Eta are gehiago, lehenengo mundua deitutako neskamutilen bestekoa.